Presented by Listen Headlines. Latest financial news from trusted sources.
Forex Live. October 26, 1920 America New York. Australian Q3 inflation data due today. Preview. Australian Q3 inflation data is due Wednesday the 27th of October 2021 at 0030 GMT. For the YY, expected 3.1, prior 3.8%. Lower expected mainly due to base effects, core inflation, trimmed mean.
BBC News Business. October 26, 1905 America New York. Budget 2021. Burnley Residences messages for Chancellor. Residents in Lancashire explain what they want from the Chancellor ahead of his budget. BBC News Business. October 26, 1903 America New York. Wage rises will put 30p on a pint, says pub chain. Clive Watson, boss of City Pub Group, says the rise will be needed to pay for a higher minimum wage.
Forex Live. October 26, 1901 America New York. UK data. BRC Shop Price Index for October minus 0.4% Y. Prior minus 0.5%. British Retail Consortium Monthly Shop Price Index, a monthly measure of UK shop price inflation. British Retail Consortium said prices are set to rise further in Christmas.
Wall Street Journal Markets. October 26, 1855 America New York. Google nearly clears a very high bar. While advertising avoids a bite from Apple, the soaring stock price left little room for error.
Forex Live. October 26, 1834 America New York. Goldman Sachs update their EUR/USD forecasts. This comes via EFX. For bank trade ideas, check out EFX Plus. For EUR/USD, GS forecasts for USD, JPYGS see it falling from its current levels come next year. Forex Live. October 26, 1804 America New York. In case you missed it, Goldman Sachs CEO sees risk of higher global inflation and slower growth. Remarks from the CEO of GS, David Solomon. He was speaking at the Future Investment Initiative Conference in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Forex Live. October 26, 1747 America New York. New Zealand trade balance data for September, exports and imports both up meter per meter. New Zealand trade balance for September minus 2,171 million New Zealand dollars, record trade deficit. Forex Live. October 26, 1740 America New York. Saudi Aramco warns that spare oil production capacity is shrinking, a huge concern. Saudi Aramco is the world's largest oil exporter, its head spoke in a Bloomberg interview. OPEC Plus next meet on November 4 and so far there is no indication of an increase in supply beyond what is already planned. A tight market is contributing to high prices. These comments from Saudi Aramco indicate that won't be changing much.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business. October 26, 1738 America New York. Corporate minimum tax resurfaces as Democrats hunt for money. Democratic senators unveiled a plan for a 15% minimum tax on profitable corporations as they try to lock in details to finance President Biden's agenda. New York Times Business. October 26, 1730 America New York. Frederick Arnault, the newest power player in luxury's first family. Frederick Arnault is making big moves as chief executive of Tag Heuer. Just don't mention the show, Succession. Frederick Arnault, the chief executive of Tag Heuer, in Beverly Hills, Caliph, in October 2021.
Forex Live. October 26, 1716 America New York. Twitter stock market pump and dump scheme, U.S. man arrested. A report on an alias name used, at Alexdelarge 6553, for a pump and dump scheme that netted more than $1 million United States dollars. The man behind the alias has been uncovered and taken into custody in Ohio.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business. October 26, 1712 America New York. Boeing's Dreamliner pain spreads to suppliers. The plane maker's manufacturing problems with its 787 Dreamliner are creating challenges for suppliers who expect production of the wide-body jets to remain low into next year. New York Times Business. October 26, 1707 America New York. Netflix eyes New Jersey Army base for major production hub. The streaming service said it would bid for a nearly 300-acre chunk of Fort Monmouth and it has the support of Governor Phil Murphy. New York Times Business. October 26, 1702 America New York, Microsoft profit soars 48%, to $20.5 billion. The earnings were driven by success in the company's Microsoft Cloud business, which includes Office 365 subscriptions and Azure. The earnings were driven by success in the company's Microsoft Cloud business, which includes Office 365 subscriptions and Azure. The Library of Economics and Liberty. October 26, 1701 America New York, Fred Foldvary, a joyous friend. I met Fred in the 1990s, through a shared interest in the voluntary provision of collective goods. In 1996 I joined the faculty at Santa Clara University, and soon thereafter worked with Fred, Henry Demert, Larry Iannaccone, and Bob Finocchio in a campus institute.
BBC News Business. October 26, 1700 America New York, Budget 2021. Sunak promises new post-COVID economy amid Commons' anger. The Chancellor will outline his budget on Wednesday after fury over rafts of early press announcements.
Daily FX Market News. October 26, 1700 America New York, Nasdaq 100 edges higher as Microsoft, Alphabet, Twitter report earnings. Nasdaq 100 stocks continue to power higher as sentiment remains strong with earnings season in full swing.
Wall Street Journal Markets. October 26, 1654 America New York, Twitter makes tired look fresh. Twitter sometimes seems a couple of steps behind rivals in advertising tech. Right now, that's a good thing.
Forex Live. October 26, 1650 America New York, Canada coronavirus, British Columbia to offer booster shots to all double-dosed. The Canadian province of British Columbia will offer booster doses 6 to 8 months after receipt of their second dose. Forex Live. October 26, 1648 America New York, Trade Ideas Thread, Wednesday the 27th of October 2021. Good morning, afternoon and evening all. Any charts, technical analysis, trade ideas, thoughts, views, Forex Live traders would like to share and discuss with fellow Forex Live traders, please do so.
New York Times Business. October 26, 1636 America New York, Google's profit and revenue soared in the third quarter. The results easily topped analysts' forecasts. The strong results underscore the value of two of the Internet's prime destinations, Google's search engine and YouTube's video platform.